In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your DeepSeek AI account. So the first thing you want to do is go to your computer and go to deepseek.com, and in here it gives you two options. You can either start now on the web version of DeepSeek AI, or you can get the DeepSeek app. So if you just hover over this, you can scan your QR code right now, or just go to the website and then scan it with your mobile device, and you can sign up via your phone as well. I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer, but it's the exact same process on your phone as well. So you want to click Start Now over here. And then in here, you can select if you want to either sign up with your email and password, or if you want to log in with Google. Now, if you want the quicker way, you can press login with Google, and the same goes on your mobile device. Or you can click sign up, put in your email address and then your password. So you want to type it in and then type it in again. And then you want to click I confirm over here. And then you want to press send code. And once you do this, a code will be sent to your email address. Now make sure you only press this once, because if you don't receive the code, just wait for it to come. It may take 15 minutes, maybe 20, half an hour, up to an hour, let's say. Just wait for the code because their servers are really busy and it will take you quite some time. If you still haven't received it after, let's say, an hour, you have to check your spam folder. If it's not in there either, only then press the send code. Now, if you click it again and you receive it right away, what may happen is that when you put it over here, so if you put in the code, it means that it was actually the code that you previously requested for that got sent to you when you clicked send code again, which means you will have to wait for the second code again because the first one will not be valid anymore. So I hope this kind of makes sense, okay? So if you press send code twice or 3 times, you'll have to wait for the third code because only that one is going to be available and it will override all the others. So that's pretty much that. But if you are still getting any sign-up errors while trying to create your DeepSeek AI account, what I recommend doing is, as I said earlier, go into your phone, downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play, and then what you want to do is sign in with Google, and it will automatically bypass all the verifications and just sign you in with Google, and then come back to your computer and press login with Google over here. And what this will do is it will automatically just sign you in, and you'll be able to use DeepSeek AI on both your phone and your web version over here on your computer or laptop. So that's pretty much it. That's how you create your DeepSeek AI account. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.